Hey dolls, so today's video is finally, I can finally say it, I'm gonna be upgrading and moving again for my gorgeous apartment, but not so far away. It's still gonna be on property, and I'm gonna be looking at where I'm potentially moving to. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, let's get started. Come with me and let's go and see my new place. Let's go, dolls. So I need a space that is big enough for a walk-in closet and a beauty room. I need just like to hang my bags and just a place that I can film my content in. So I've officially outgrown my apartment, and I just need more space. I literally need more space. I love my apartment. I love everything about it, but I feel like in the new year, I want to like have more space, and especially as I'm planning my future and having children and stuff, I'm gonna need more space. So I need literally a space for like bedroom, and then a space for content and future babies, like a nursery. So I need more than just my place now, and I need to move now before things get very busy in my life and hectic. So I'm going with my mom today to look at some more space. I love my apartment so much that I want to stay on property, meaning I want to stay in this area. I don't want to move to a whole new apartment. It's going to be a lot of movement. I mean, in the future, I want this to be my second move before I build a home. I don't plan to buy a home. I plan to build. So I want this to be my second and last move before I finally do that. And that's why I want the 3-bedroom, because then that's why I'm talking futuristically, like expanding because of children. Like when I have like children, I want like a nursery and all of that. So I want my forever home, my semi-forever home, my semi-permanent forever home before I finally build my actual dream home. So I love the homes they offer on this property. I actually wanted to view the townhome, but they don't have a townhome available for me to like rent right now or buy. So I'm going to look at 2-bedroom and 3-bedroom apartments. So I guess let's go and see. I'm excited. This is a 2-bedroom. I absolutely love this. So this is bigger than where I actually live right now. This is on the same property, and this is exactly perfect. This is a 2-bedroom. I love it. It's gorgeous. Like, look at all the space that I have to like do like filming. This is a master bedroom. It's so huge. Like, you can fit so much in it. The walk-in closet is massive, and the toilets as well. Oh my goodness, this is double the size of my closet. I'm with my mum. Mummy, come in, come and see. She's hiding. Are you coming? Say hi to the vlog. Come and see. Look, this is the master bathroom. It's bigger than my actual bath. Love, love, love. Look. This is gorgeous. It's bigger. This is bigger than, and it has a shower. So I have a bathtub. I don't have a shower in my apartment, but look at this. That is gorgeous. Love this. And this is the master bedroom. Love it. It's huge and it's just perfect. And you've got that natural light coming in. I love it. So this is that. And oh, I love that mirror. And then this is what I love the most, is this open space. I love the open space. I love this, like this little area to eating, the like little breakfast area, and then you have this like island bar. I love that. And then the living rooms. I love how the kitchen and living room are like really separated. I love that. And then it has a patio out here. So I'm not going to open it, but it's just gorgeous. And then the bedroom, so this is second bedroom, so it's a 2-bedroom because I have a 1-bedroom, and the second bedroom has a bathtub in it, so it's like a big house. And then it has, look in here, a smaller closet, but it's still big, right? Look at all that space. Wow. So we're now gonna go and see the 3-bedroom. That's the final one I want to see, because I have to see this quickly to make a decision. I love that lighting they have up here. Look at that, dolls. How gorgeous is that lighting? I love it. And then, oh, I just love all this area here. And then the washer and dryer. you can step inside. My one is like kind of small. Look at the washer and dryer. The washing room, laundry room. Love it. Love it. Do you love it in here, mummy? I love it. It's gorgeous. Super, super pretty. So we're going to see the free bedroom. Of course, free snacks every time. So, of course, I love my apartment. They always have free snacks. What do you want, mummy? Pick what you want out from here. Dolls, and they got more free snacks and drinks. Even lemons. Look at that. Oh my God. All of that down there as well. So there's lots of snacks. So you pick out what you want because we always get a free snack when we're looking for a new place. Look at that. Stocked fridge. Dolls, without showing too much of the place, it comes with a garage. I don't want to show too much. That's it. It has its own garage, so you can drive your car up in there basically. So that's it. I'm not going to show any more. Thank you so much. So here is the room, well, the three bedrooms. So we're going to tour it, and this already is my favorite. So let's go. This is the like my perfect place because one, look at this little corner here. I love it. It has natural light right there. I could do, and I like the light in there. I could do like pictures here so much. But look, I've already made myself at home, as you can see. Look at the kitchen. Wow, like it's massive. Can you hear my echo? I love it here. And it's got the patio. It's got like, it looks like my house, my apartment, but bigger. It's got like a wine cooler. Look at this. It's got the pantry. Look at all this storage. Mum, come see. This is not even a pantry. This is an office area. Oh my God. Oh my God. I love it. My mum's just inspecting. It's got like like everything that looks like my apartment, but better. It's got more storage places. Like, look at all of those. I don't have those. I don't have all this in my place. It's got more on this side. So much more. And then it's got for wine. It's got the giant fridge that I have as well, and more storage on top of it. So it looks like my apartment, but different. And then this whole area is living room space and dining room. Turn on the lights here. Wow. So this is bedroom number 1. And if you come in, wait, let me turn on the light. So this is bedroom number 1. It's a bit small, got some good lighting. So I'm looking for a place that I can have as a walk-in closet. So like if I get this apartment, this could be it, but this is actually small, so this might be a bedroom. I'm going to decide which one will be the closet, and beauty room. So this one here, oh, that's a laundry room. I love this. Look, that could be like laundry room number 1 because some of the apartments come with like 2 laundry rooms. Here is another bedroom. This might be the closet. Look at this. It's nice. And you got your natural light over there. And then more closet space, which will be storage. This will be storage space. I'm not turned on the light for that. So this is another room. So that's 1 bedroom. Here is the toilet for it. And this one's just like my bathroom, literally same layout, except my bathroom has 1 giant mirror. This bathroom has 2 mirrors. So love it. And it has more space here to store things. Just turned on the fan. Oh, this view is gorgeous. On this side we have the master bedroom, because this is the biggest one. This will be the closet. This will be the beauty room right here. It's gorgeous. One, because you have natural light right here. This is literally where I'm gonna film. If I was to get this room, this will be, I'll stand here. This will be the closet. This will be the beauty room. This will be it. I love it in here. You got all this natural light coming in. It's gorgeous, right? And then over here, we have the walk-in shower. We have a his and hers, and there's a faucet that's on. Let me turn it off. Save electricity. We have another giant closet. This one is the biggest closet, I think, inside here. I'm not going to turn the lights on. It's got so many like hooks and stuff. I don't have all this in my one. That's gorgeous inside here. So yeah, I think I like the 3 bedroom. There's just more. But then I do like the 2 bedroom too. But the 3 bedroom just has more space. I love. Which room's your favourite? I notice you're turning off all the lights. Wow. Dolls, this is it. This is where I could see myself living. So what do you dolls think? Let me know. I know this is a short video, but this is a new plan I have coming up. Future walk-in closet and beauty room is in the works, and I love here. This is chapter number 2 of my new place, and I feel like this is going to be the place. My mom's inspecting. How do you like it, Mummy? You're like in love with it, right? It's massive. Everything's literally bigger in Texas, right? It's gorgeous. Like, I just love it. Like, this is just so much space. I'm just trying to figure out, like, look at here. Oh my goodness. I'm trying to figure out which one will be the closet room. And I think it will be this one. I think it will be this room here. Oh, it's dark in here. I need to get out of here. But I think it'll be that one or this one, because this one has, as I said, the natural light facing it. And here we go. It's gorgeous. I think it will be this room. Let me know, dolls. Well, you wouldn't even know because you don't know the layout. But do you like it? Which one do you think I'd look better in, 2-bedroom or 3-bedroom? Difficult to see? I love it! Oh my God, I love this place. I love it in here. More, yeah, and I love the lighting they have in here as well. It's gorgeous. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it. I don't want to leave almost. I love this huge island. You know the huge island they have here? I love this. So that's it, dolls. I know it's a short video. I had to take you dolls along with me and show you like my plans for a new place, because I need a beauty room and I need like a little place to hang all my handbags. I need more space. I'm running out of space. So I decided to take you dolls with me on touring. I know it was a short video. We're in a rush because I need to like make decisions and stuff and a lot to do. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you dolls in my next video. Let me know the 2-bedroom or the 3-bedroom. Which one do you dolls like better? Let me know in the comment section down below. But I'm loving this one, and this one's available to rent right now. So